Alright, y'all. It's gonna be the last video of the night. And I hope y'all ready for it. Nigga calling from the spit again. We gave up on Marvin Dream.
You turn on the lights, please?
We'll try that another day. No, nigga, fuck the lights. Alright, y'all. Here it go. This beat go pretty hard, so I hope he do this beat justice.
Niggas in the back of the lack already know me. Fucking thumbtacks. Yeah, you already know hitting your business. Fucking straight from the back. Wildfire. That's the name of the instrumental, nigga. We gon' play this twice. We gon' do this shit all fucking night. Into career. OB Trice. Ooh, we your girlfriend. Nice. Let me hit it from the back. Oh, wait. She got lights, but... I'm back again. I'm rapping. Nigga, this is Little C. I'm snapping. Snap back on. Nigga, don't fucking front. You fuck with us. Nigga, use the chump. Team KIL. We the baddest. See your pants. Nigga, they straight sagging. Playing Mag on the PS3. More be playing Mario on the Wii. They loving us. Like the money saying God we trust. Nigga, I'm about to fucking bust a nut on your girl face. All over her shit. Porn star type flow. Yeah, about to rip that pussy, bitch. Let me come at you with my crew. Ooh, we your trash. Do. Fuck you and your crew. It's KIL, cause we the fucking truth. Nigga, you trash. My flow was never ass. You see me in the Aston Martin and a pass. Nigga, what you wanna do, huh? Fucking beat your ass in rotation. Don't fuck with us, dude. I need a beat. Context Lex Luger. Fuck you. Freaking Ooga. Ooga Mooga. Like Asamuga. I shut your ass down, bitch. In the booth or in the streets, rap battle, come find me. I'm like Lil Wayne, Team KIL, come sign me. I be rhyming all the motherfucking time, and yeah, I see your bitch, see your motherfucking dime piece. Plus 10, we back at it again. Verse 1 again, we rapping. I be playing with this because I don't give a fuck. But your girl coming down, she about to suck.
Y'all should already know. Team KIL. Last video of the night. We'll hit y'all with some new music later. You already know. Get left, be left.
Bitch!